Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, my name is Brianna. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from the Dollar Tree, and I did get some other items as well. So I'm going to show you guys that first. It's just 3 items, and then I'm going to show you guys what I got from the Dollar Tree. Nail polish from Big Lots. I got this LA Colors Color Craze gel nail polish in the color Giddy. And I just had to pick this up. I just really love the packaging. The color is really pretty. I tried it on my nails, and it's just a really pretty, sparkly, like champagne nude type of color. It's a really pretty. So you guys know that we can't go into the stores right now because everything is like freaking closed. So I needed a candle. I burnt my Bath and Body Works candle out. So yeah, the only place we could get a candle from is like the essential stores. So of course I went to Target and got a candle, and this candle was only $5. And the one that was bigger than this was only $8. So, and they smell so good. This one is the soft cashmere and lavender. So yeah, I did pick this one up. It just has 1 wick. I did go to Walmart, and this wasn't planned. This is just something I stumbled across. But I do have like black and white striped accent in my room. So I found this black and white striped garbage can, and I had to pick this up, y'all. Like, it was only $3.98. So it's so huge. Like, you don't even have to use it as a waste can. You can use this as a basket or whatever, but I just had to pick this bad boy up because I just thought it was so freaking cute. I did sanitize it and spray it and everything. So yeah, I just had to pick this up. So now we're moving on to Dollar Tree. The first thing that I have here is this organizer. I used to own one of these a long time ago when they first came out, but I decluttered them because I just didn't have a use for them anymore. But I went ahead and I brought one because I do have a drawer right here on my vanity, and I wanted to organize like my bronzers that I have in my drawer, and it's not quite working because this drawer right here is like really small, and it's not that deep. So the only thing that my product can do is just lay down. I wanted to like put my bronzers, like, you know, stack them behind each other, but that's not gonna work unless I would have had like a deeper drawer. So I don't know, I'm probably still gonna use it. I just have to rearrange some things, but yeah. The only con about this drawer that it's so small and it don't come all the way out. So this is from their craft section. This is a pencil and brush organizer, and as you can see, like, they have their pencils and their paint brushes in here. But you know, I'm gonna put my eyeshadow brushes in here. I can't really fit my foundation brushes in here, but I can put my eyeshadow brushes. So this is what it looks like. And y'all can spray paint this, y'all can bling it out. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bling mine out. I also picked up some stickers. The only reason why I picked these up because they had the perfume bottles on here, like the Chanel bottles. So that's why I picked these up. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put these, but these are really cute, like if you have a planner or something. So continuing with perfume bottles, I did pick up 2 more picture canvas frames, not frames, but 2 more picture canvas, a cute gold bottle, and I could just kind of put this right here in my background. So yeah, so these are the 2 pictures. They're so freaking cute. Next thing that I got were some shower caps. You only get 6 in here. Multi-purpose bandana, and it's so hard to find like a face mask if you're going out. There's like so many ways. You can wear it on your head, your neck, and you can also wear it on your face. So that's the main reason why I got it. I probably wear it on my head too. I probably should have brought 2, but if you see these, pick up more than one for your family. And I mean, if you can't find a face mask, if you want to cover your face, this is a good idea. Of course, I had to get the one with the skulls because I love skulls. So yeah, that was just meant for me. And it was a lot of these. Like, I don't know if nobody is thinking about it. I know people are wearing like bandanas around their face. I don't know. We all look like we robbing the grocery store because we got all this stuff on our face. I'm like, this don't look right. And somebody gonna do the wrong thing with their bandana. And I don't want to say it, God forbid, but I hope nobody take advantage of this moment. So the next thing I got was some razors. So I saw this pack. I thought this was a really like good deal. Even though it's one blade, I mean, it'll still do the job. The next thing that I got was this Body Benefit, what is this? Polish Glow dual-sided microfiber cloth. I wanted to try these out with like my body scrub. I don't think I ever tried an exfoliation cloth before. So yeah, I never tried one before. So I'm gonna actually open this. So this is what it looks like. I'm guessing this is to hang it up. So you got one side that is soft and then you got the other side that is hard. So I'm excited to you know, exfoliate my body with this. I feel like right now is the best time to be exfoliating your skin, okay? When you're coming in the house, taking a shower, just getting all that dead skin off, those dead germs. So the next thing that I got was this Bodycology Cherry Blossom Cleansing Shower Jelly, and it has shea butter here, I guess. So yeah, this is in the scent Cherry Blossom, and me and my grandma ran through the first one. It smells so freaking good. So this is actually jelly. All you gotta do is just scoop you some up, put it on your loofah or your towel, and it lathers up, and it smells so good. So yeah, we're almost like, I feel like one more use we're gonna be done. So I just went ahead and brought another one because she really likes this one. The next thing I got was some eyelashes. I actually had more than one pair, but I went ahead and put them back because I have more than enough eyelashes. So these are the Ioni 3D Faux Mink lashes. I guess that's how you say it. And these are the Wispy Long Crisscross. These lashes are so good. I'm telling you, if you find them, pick them up. Pick every single last one of them up. If you need to buy the whole doggone, you know, display, do it. They only $1. These are so good. Like the other lashes that they have at the Dollar Tree look very fake and like costume lashes. Besides the LA Colors and the Wet n Wilds, I guess it's okay, but the LA Colors and these are perfect. So I hope they keep these around for a long time, because to get some faux mink looking lashes for $1, I did pick up this nail polish remover with the pump. So they had the regular one and they had the one with the acetone. So I went ahead and picked the one up with the acetone with the pump. So I am excited to use this. And I am going to do my nails pretty soon, like I said. So this came in handy. So the next thing that I grabbed was this facial mist from Bolero. So this is their cucumber and aloe facial mist. And you guys, this smells like cucumber melon for real. This smells like some perfume. Like I might just actually wear this as some spray or something, because it smells really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out all my videos, and if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye.